let's do the defining equation or finding the equation of a parabola. We know that I think we have got like three equations of a parabola and also of finding the equation of a parabola, but it depends on the information that you are given. Sometimes they'll give you the turning point, meaning you'll have to use the turning point equation. Sometimes you'll be given the x-intercepts, and also a point on the graph, meaning like you have to use the x-intercept formula. um yeah, so I think those two are very important to know. Now that we have been given the x-intercepts, which are -3 and +4, and also a point on the graph, meaning we can use the x-intercepts formula. So we know that the x-intercepts formula of defining the equation is given by y is equal to a into x1, x minus x1, open bracket, x minus x2, close bracket. So let's use this equation to find the equation of this graph. So you use this equation when you are given the x-intercepts and also a point on the graph. This is when you use this equation. So let's see, y is equal to a is unknown, then x, we don't know x, but then our x1 is our x-intercept. It is -3, but then the formula has a minus here, so it will become negative into -3, then becomes +3. Then open bracket again, then we have x, our x2 is our other x-intercept, is +4, so it will become -4. Notice that whenever you are using this formula, the signs of the x-intercepts change. So here it was -3, in the bracket it is +3. This was +4, here it's -4. So when you are using this formula, you must change the signs of the x-intercepts. So let's simplify. Then we have other point here. So this point, we know that our x is 2 and our y is -20. We can also substitute that point. Our y is -20. Our a is unknown. We are solving for a, by the way. So what's our x? Our x is 2 plus 3, close bracket, into 2 minus 4, close bracket. Then we can solve for a. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 minus 4 is -2, -2. So this is a, not 2. Then we have -20. We have -20. -20 is equal to, I think, -10a. -10a. Therefore our a, we divide both sides by -10, you get like our a being equal to 2. This is our a. So we already found a. So they said like determine the equation of the graph in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, but then we have our a already, so we need this and b and c. Let's continue. So we have our a already. So after finding the value of a, remember I'm explaining in terms of this equation. Then after finding the value of a, you go back to your equation. Which is y is equal to, you put your a back. Is equal to 2. Then you open your bracket. You'll say x plus 3 again, then x minus 4 again. You go back to the equation, but then this time you substitute your a. You see, I went back to this equation, but then I substituted back my a. So you can continue multiplying the bracket. So it's a is equal to into 2. Then you'll say x times x. You open the bracket first. You can open the bigger one with the bigger bracket. Maybe you can do this one and say like and multiply the brackets first. You'll say maybe x times x, you get x squared. You get x squared. So the font, I was using the wrong font. Now let's do it again. Say x squared. You say x squared. Remember x times x squared. Then x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 4x. Then a plus 3x, which will give us, I think, negative x. So I got negative x by maybe, if you take like this x times 4, negative 4, you get negative 4x. Then you take another 3x, you add them, you get negative x. Then 3 times negative 4, you get negative 12. Then your next step is to multiply the bracket with 2. Then you'll say negative y is equal to, sorry, 2x squared. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 2x minus 2 times negative 12, you get 24. So it becomes negative 24. So this is your final answer. So your equation is now y, or f of x, is equal to 2x squared minus 2x minus 24. So thank you.